Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to improve the Wi-Fi signal in Windows 10. To start, enter network in the search. After that, click on View Network Connections. After this, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter. Here, select Properties. Then, on the Sharing tab, check that the Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection checkbox is not selected. Return to the Networking tab. After that, click on Configure. On the Power Management tab, uncheck the box. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. After this, go to the Advanced tab. First of all, in AP mode force, set Enable or Disable. Now, you can change the region in the Country Region option. After that, in the Multimedia environment, select Enable or Disable. Then, in the Radio on/off option, set the Enable option. Then, in the Roaming section, click on the Low value. Now, in Selective Suspend, disable that option. In the last option, you can leave the default value. After this, click OK. The changes will be applied. After this, you can check that you have access to the network. This will give you a better connection signal. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.